Hi everyone, this is just a quick video on how to set up your VIVITAR Aero drone. Um, it comes with not so many components, and I've already started setting up this one just so that the video shouldn't be too long. So I'm just going to show you how to set up the main component. It comes with a protection ring, your camera, your rechargeable battery, and this it comes only with one, so you can obviously maybe go to Walmart and get a spare one. I think it's about $30 or thereabout in Walmart. So for those who love to fly for longer periods, you definitely would need one of these, because the flight time for this drone is about 10 minutes, which actually I find very small, but or very short. And it also comes with a landing gear and the mobile phone holder, and of course this is the remote control. Okay, after you've already, this is pretty self-explanatory. It comes with this. I just did put it because I didn't want to waste time on the video, so I have to put these directions, and pretty much that's how it looks. It comes with 4 batteries as well in the box. I've already installed that. Let me quickly show you. It comes with 4 batteries, so that's pretty much self-explanatory on how to put that back here. Slide it in. To open it, just slide it down. So it's simple like that. Okay, let me put back the screw here, just so that I don't lose it. So, and then for the phone holder, you have to unscrew this and make sure it's extended out, because sometimes it comes with this little screw that screwed in, and then it's short, so it doesn't go through to the other side. So you have to make sure that it's screwed all out, and it looks something like that. And then you just basically put it in, then use this on the side here. Yeah, and that's just how it, this one is pretty easy, basic. And you're done with that. So you can easily extend, yeah, not too heavy, not heavy at all actually, easy. I like the grip under here, and yeah, control, power button, headless mode, orbital short. It has a return to home button, a calibration, and then you get the various speed. You get the slow, the medium, and the high, and then the landing and the takeoff button back here. So neat, that's good. Okay, let's move on. And like I said, I've already installed most of it. I just wanted to do the main parts. So when it comes to the protection ring, it's very easy. Turn around, yeah. Goes in, put in your 2 screws back here, and that's all for that. And then the battery goes right in the middle. This is where the charger goes. I've received so many questions from people, how do you recharge it? Once this is in here, this goes in there, and then this is where the charging cord goes through it. So you just slip that inside and close. When you want to charge it, just open, hook it up. Okay. And then the landing gear. This is another interesting one. While I was doing the others, I found it very difficult to put in the screws while it was on the drone. So what I did was I went ahead and first, I don't know if it's clear, but put the screws inside, so that now all I need to do is just place it on the drone like that. Make sure it's lined up properly and just screw it in. That way it's far easier. Just a little technique I thought of. So yeah, screw it in. Okay. And last but not least, the camera. It has this little hook underneath that you just slide in, and that's how it goes. Just slide it in and then just connect it to this one, the video right here. And that's it. Pretty simple, basic and easy to do, but just those little techniques that, like I mentioned, on the landing gear, you could spend a lot of time, 20-30 minutes trying to figure it out. But if you put the screw on that on the landing gear first before put it in on there and then screw it, it goes pretty fast. So there we go, guys. Short video. Please leave your comments, and if you have any question or if you have anything that any video that you want me to make, I'll be happy to make that. And see you on my next video. Please, 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 guys, please, I'm begging, please subscribe, 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 subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. And there we go.